Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B. We have a special announcement today. We just hit 50K subscribers on our YouTube channel. And on behalf of Black Men's Beard, Evan Alexander Grooming, we want to say thank you to each and every one of you, because without you, we would have never hit 50K. Okay, so to show our appreciation and our gratitude, we're going to do a grand prize, big giveaway. That's going to be the My Growth Kit. All right. So you're going to get the My Growth Kit here. Boom, 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 boom. All these products. Plus you're going to get the beard pick or the beard comb, depending on the length of your beard. And we're going to throw in a special bonus. Pan down, son. Show them that. You see the t-shirt? You're going to get the Black Men's Grooming Den t-shirt. That's right. Pan back up, son. Again, these are 3 things you got to do. 1, you want to follow us, subscribe on our YouTube channel, Black Men's Beard. Also subscribe on our follow us on our IG channel platform. And then also you want to do the hashtag 50K all day. And then the 3rd one you want to do is share with your friends, family, and everybody else who need that drip sauce. We done. We out.